We are gonna turn this bulb into something this. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Crafty Beans. So let's start the video. In this whole project, I'll be using only molded clay. You can use any other clay. Rolling it flat and covering the molded clay to the bulb. Make sure every part is covered. After the bulb is fully covered with clay, now I'll be making the parts of chicken. To make the head and neck part, I will be using foil wrap to give it some shape, later covering it with clay. Now I am adding eyes, nose to add more structure to the chicken. Since the clay is still wet, every part sticks to it perfectly. There is no need to apply any glue. Finishing off by adding legs. After letting it completely dry, adding a base coat of white color. Later, color the chicken with your favorite colors. Here I am using yellow color. I am using this empty paint jar to store toothpicks, so coloring it with red color, later tying a jute rope around it. I took a plastic lid to stick the chicken and the toothpick holder onto it, using a lot of hot glue so that everything sticks strongly onto the lid. This is how the finished product looks. You can store toothpicks or you can just decorate it with some fake plants. Hope you enjoy watching the video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do subscribe and let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.